guys, and welcome back to a new Extreme Clean with Me realistic mom life cleaning motivation. In today's video, we are going to be unboxing some new dining room chairs as well as beginning the playroom project. On last week's video, I had asked you guys if you think I should do just one playroom and one sleep room, and you guys were mentioning that it would be easier to do just one playroom and then have a sleep room for the girls because they are so close in age and they all play with all the toys. So I think this will be more functional, and we start this project today. I still have loads of decluttering to do in following videos, but today I mainly focused on getting things where they go. If you are new here, hi, my name is Rosielynn. I'm a mom to 3 little girls ages 6, 4, and 2, and I just tried to share realistic cleaning motivation to uplift those repetitive tasks in motherhood. So we're going to start off with the kitchen area. I have been wanting to change our table chairs for so long, and with kids it's kind of like, oh man, these chairs are just easy to wipe down, but they're so unflattering to the eye and they're not very comfortable. And so I found a really good deal on Walmart across the weekend, and so I ordered it, and you're gonna see that here soon in today's video. I am so grateful that I finally have like dining room chairs. They're a lot lighter than expected. They were supposed to be like a dainty green, but they're actually kind of like a gray, but that's totally okay. I'm really excited just to have them, and they're super comfortable, but took me a long time to build. There's 2 chairs that my husband still has to build because I am just not really great at building things, so he's gonna do that. But I hope you guys love them. Let me know in the comments below, and I hope today's video gives you loads of motivation. Please subscribe if you like this video and you want to see more like this. I would love to have you. Let's get started.
You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you
Okay, here they are. What do you think of them, you guys? They are a lot lighter than I anticipated, so I've been putting a towel over them when the girls eat, but for the most part, I absolutely love them, and I know they'll be easy to clean with my Bissell cleaner that I have, but they're just really pretty. They're really comfortable, and I got them for a really great price, so I'm really happy about this choice. I hope it holds up. I don't know with the girls how it'll do with like messes and stuff, but for the most part, I've had them for about a week now, and it's so far so good. The towels over the chairs have been a lifesaver. I know on Amazon you can buy chair covers, but for right now, this is working, and I'm so happy to have them. I have to build the other 2, but I'm honestly saving that box for my husband because he builds things so fast and efficient, and it just takes me a lot longer. That's definitely not a skill I am talented in, so we're gonna leave those for him, and we're just gonna keep cleaning and doing some really good extreme clean with me motivation in today's video.
the glimpse that you think you see ain't nothing that I'll ever be. That's the last I'll ever be.
How are you guys doing? How is your week going? My week was pretty good. It's been pretty overwhelming this week. I just been kind of burnt out with mom life, but I'm still feel rejuvenated this morning. I think today I'm going to film a video because I just feel so much better today. You know, some days you just have to rest when you're a mom because you just get so overwhelmed. So many little ones rely on you, and you know, you're always just like taking care of your family, and sometimes you can get like burnt out. Like I felt like my cup was completely empty, but I got a really good night's rest. And you guys, ever since I switched the rooms where I have all the girls sleeping in one room and all the girls, they have a playroom now, they have slept all through the night and no one has woken up to walk to our bed. I cannot believe it. I am so overjoyed. I hope this sticks because our sleep was so great. So I feel so good today. I'm gonna film a new cleaning video, maybe a decluttering video, because like I said, the playroom, there are so many toys in there that it makes me feel kind of terrible that there's so many. I did toy rotation, so I would keep the toys like in the hallway closet and I would just rotate them out whenever the kids seemed to get bored with certain toys. But when I took them all out and I put them all in the playroom, I just couldn't believe how many there were. Like, it's just too much. So I want to declutter those. I just don't know when I'm going to do it without the girls knowing, because I don't want to hurt their feelings and I just don't know like how to go about it the right way. So I think I'm just going to declutter it either on camera, maybe when they're out with their dad, or maybe when they're sleeping and I won't be able to film it. I'm not sure yet, but I definitely want to declutter a lot of the toys in there because it was just too many. It's just too much. But they've accumulated over the years with, you know, presents and gifts, birthdays, Christmas, and then of course their family sends them stuff. So lots of stuff. So I just need to declutter more. I feel like it would be easier to clean up.
We've been through a lot, holding hands while screaming at each other. And I don't know how to stop, but I still love you like I do. It breaks my heart, no text, no calls from you. You could shake this off, but you're not that tough with me. So run away with me, come home with me tonight. Run away with me, it'd be worth the time. Run away with me, I made you feel alright. Run away with me, and I'll be good this time.
So I wanted to share, if you see the tile in the background, that's a peel and stick tile that I found off Amazon when we first moved in, and I did the kitchen with it, and we've been here for over a year now. And so the one beneath the paper towel roll, it started to lift, so I removed it because I need to redo it. But I think they were about like 12, maybe 34, I don't know. They were under $50 for like a 24 pack or a 12 pack, and it's a peel and stick, renter friendly backsplash. And you guys, it has been so great. So if you're looking to do a little bit of upgrades to your home that you need to be renter friendly, these peel and stick tile backsplashes from Amazon are really great. I love them. They barely started lifting maybe a month ago. I just pulled it off because it was just getting out of control. I was like, okay, it's falling off and I just need to redo it. But this back one behind the stove, it has not lifted yet and has been so great. So if you're looking for, like I said, renter friendly backsplash, this is a really great option. And I really love how it just gives the kitchen like a little nicer look. So let me know what you guys think about it. But if you've been following me for a while, this has been over a year old and it's stuck really well.
Run away with me. Lights down low, still wondering what you're saying.
Stay, stay, stay.
Baby, please don't go. I'd rather have you staying.
Stay, 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 stay.
Pick up the mess that you left shattered on the floor. Keep the lights down low. What is this game you're playing? Don't get me wrong, I'm already for what future is lying ahead of us. 'Cause I want ya, need your hair right on my shoulder. Please stay, just stay for now. Even if it hurts with time, we were never meant to fight. Something at the finish line. Stay, stay, stay. Even if we're short on time, at least we'll never wonder why this love was so hard to find. Stay, stay, stay. Keep those lights down low. Forget all that I'm saying.
Stay, 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 stay.
You have to let it go. Only option is you're staying.
Stay, 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 stay.
Don't get me wrong, I'm already for what future is lying ahead of us. 'Cause I want ya, need your hair right on my shoulder. Please stay, just stay for now. Even if it hurts with time, we were never meant to find. Something at the finish line. Stay, stay, stay. Even if we're short on time, at least we'll never wonder why this love was so hard to something at the finish line. Even if it hurts with time, we were never.
I thought this was so cute. My daughter Artsy wanted to help vacuum as I was trying to pick up and clean. She normally loves to help clean. I mean, some days she doesn't want to, but the days that she does, I just find it so sweet that she was wanting to be so helpful. Look at this basket, you guys. I found this at an antique store and it was around $8, and I was so happy because these baskets at like Target are like $50. They're so expensive. So lately I've been thrifting and going to antique stores and just trying to find like unique art pieces, things like that for my home. I really love Home Goods and TJ Maxx and Ross and Marshalls and all those stores, but I really love the whole thrift look, the antique dainty vibe. Like I'm really like loving that right now. So I wanted to start shopping those stores to find really cool pieces to add to my home to give it a little bit of uniqueness, I guess. I don't know. Do you like to thrift shop? Do you like to go to antique stores? I went to one when my mom was here recently and it was just so much fun. So let me know if you guys like to shop at those stores, where you like to shop to get your home decor. I'd love to know.
Fine. Stay, stay, stay. I'll walk across the room just to show you.
Heading upstairs, I'm going to take all the toys that are downstairs and downstairs in my hallway closet upstairs to begin the playroom project. But before that, I'm going to pick up some toys that I knew were in my master bedroom. If you guys have noticed, I switched around this room. So originally my master bed was by these windows, but I just felt so uncomfortable with it right there because the girls would always like to like play on the bed and like look out the window, and it would just give me the heebie-jeebies because it's a 2-story building. So I'm like, yeah, no, let's move this. So I moved it and I'm way happier with it the way it is now. I'll have to show you guys in an upcoming video. But to begin, I wanted to start a load of laundry because you know I always have mountains of laundry in this laundry room. Like it's so bad, but we're making progress. We're going to throw a load in and get it going. And then we're going to head and start in the playroom project. So much cleaning motivation, so much like change and transformation, and just a great start. So I guess you could say this is like part 1 to, you know, making this playroom put together. But it's a hot mess in here. We're going to be removing the queen bed. So originally we had it on a bed frame, and that's in the closet right now. You'll see me soon take it out. And so the reason why we had to take the bed and make it a floor bed, kind of like a Montessori thing, is because my youngest daughter, DJ, would fall off the bed in the middle of the night, and then she would like get stuck under the bed frame, and it was like so just awful. So it was easier to just keep it on the floor. But I'm going to be taking this downstairs by myself. This, I don't know what I was thinking, but the best advice I could give if you are impatient to wait for your spouse is to go slow. And that is your best option, is just take it slow and you'll be able to do it. But I'm going to put this in the hallway closet. Luckily it fit perfectly, and we're going to be taking all these big bins of toys upstairs and just starting this transformation. This is definitely a hot mess, but I'm excited to share it with you guys because this is real life, real cleaning motivation, and I can't wait to declutter these toys in an upcoming future video maybe, or maybe not, I'm not sure, but I will be donating a lot of these toys and decluttering very soon. So for right now, I'm just kind of putting things in bins and trying to just clear up the space. I'm not really organizing. I'm just trying to get the floor cleared up because this is so overwhelming. I couldn't believe it. It's definitely gone out of control. I was just like, oh my gosh. But we're gonna put everything in this bean bag where all the stuffies go, and then in upcoming videos I will organize these toys better and make it more functional in here. But for right now, I just kind of wanted to get things cleared up off the floor just so that I could see what I'm working with. I need to organize like the kitchen toys with the kitchen stuff, the blocks with the blocks, dinosaurs with dinosaurs, stuffies with stuffies, things like that, if that makes sense. And just try to make it like the best functional space as possible. I really wanted to put like the big cube one in the center, but I really had to design this to where no one can climb up. One of my daughters is autistic, and so she has no sense of fear, and so I can't keep things like in front of windows or in front of things that she can climb up on, because she will just like dive off, like she'll just jump off. Like, I wish I was as brave as her, you guys. Like, she is phenomenally brave for sure. So I had to design this to where she couldn't climb up on the tallest organizer, just so that it's the safest route. So I stuck these over here on the back of this wall, and I think that'll be the safest option. We still need to earthquake proof them. They have the little holes already for that, but my husband has to do that when he gets here. But here's the bed frame, and I forgot how heavy it was, you guys. It was so heavy. But we're gonna switch and move this into the sleep room, so you can see me here just taking it over. And these bed frames are so cool because the headboard, it just unzips and you can put the whole bed inside of it, and it's just phenomenal. But this is how far I got, you guys. This is what it looks like right now. I hope this is a great start. I feel really happy with the start of it, but I really cannot wait to donate and declutter a lot of the stuff that the girls don't play with. So thank you so much if you made it this far in today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I am so excited to be here, and I can't wait to share a new video with you guys soon next Friday. So thank you for watching. Bye.